What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, and man, y'all see the title of the video? I told y'all it was coming. Showtime Tranmission, we here. Y'all know we at Showtime Tranmission rebuild, man. I told my boy, I just don't feel comfortable unless I got Showtime in my cars. I mean, it's just point blank period. So when this transmission started throwing fluid everywhere, I was like, it's time to do it a little faster. I was gonna put a Showtime in here anyway, but I told bro, I said, man, we gotta go ahead and get it out. Let's do it, man. Let's go ahead and put something together. So that's what we got shaking. Oh, Tran finna get that Showtime power. So y'all know we finna be dead in the game. There you go, my brother.
What's up, bro?
Mr. Showtime, man. I told him we finna put that Showtime power in here too.
Yeah.
We got to.
Can we get some more to the ground?
Yes, sir. So y'all, we're gonna get this thing unloaded, and I'll turn y'all back on in a minute. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in. So this the next day. Y'all know we dropped the car off to Showtime Tranmission rebuild, but y'all look who pulled up on him. My big brother, Deep, man. This my real brother too, y'all. I know y'all probably see him on the vlog here and there, but we out here just take. I'll tell them about meat, y'all. Little problem we got right here, but when we just taking that out, we're gonna fix it. Then, man, he got here. I'm sure y'all gonna see a truck too. He got a truck too. Engine got built and stuff, so y'all probably see it over here soon. But need to regulate it, cause you said yours ain't running right, is it? It ain't regulating down.
No, not at all. 12 pounds on a small engine.
Yeah, y'all know that. Like he said, we know that too high. It don't need but about 5.5. So I'm like, shoot, big bro, I got you. I got these, but boy, I got these for days. So I'm finna take this. I'm finna take this fitting now, cause we know you don't need that. You don't need that AN fitting. Not that big.
Yeah, they ain't that big.
Who yours that big?
Not that big, yeah.
You got a fit in here like this? Amazing.
All of that big. All my feeling that big from the few sale.
Yeah. God, so well, but you got same regulator, right?
I do, yeah.
All right, so I still will use your fitting then, since it already hooked up. So yeah, that what we got going on. We checking out the shop too. First time checking out the shop too, y'all. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna turn y'all on in a minute. All right, y'all, checking in, man. We on the move for this vlog. Y'all see it? We at Simon Racing. I told y'all, man, I gotta pick this stuff up for Tran, the cooler stuff, extra fans and stuff, change it up, cause as soon as it come back from Showtime, man, we getting to work. Man. We gotta change all this stuff up and all that, you know. And I'm picking up some stuff for meat, but I ain't gonna say right now what that is. But we gonna get in here, pick that order up, try to go ahead and get back, and then we're gonna check back in with y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, BCG fam, we checking in, man. It's a couple days later. Y'all know it's been a lot going on in this vlog. Like I said, sometimes I have to put them together because it ain't really, I don't have a lot going on that just stand still, like I ain't working on nothing, this and that. But current situation, cleaning off the carburetor. I got 2 to do. These are customers carburetors. I got one coming in from Vegas Wednesday. So I'm trying to get these done, man. I'm gonna have both of these done today. So I've been cleaning the carburetors, man. Y'all see Tran still gone. But let me show y'all what I picked up from Summit. And I got some more stuff in there. I got stuff for every car. But that's what I really want to show y'all, the Summit pickup. Cause I said, man, I ain't even show the BCG fan the Summit pickup. But I got an ultra bell for the transmission that we gotta go take to Showtime. And boom, I had to get these, man. That car lacking. It lacking on the cooling. It is, man. It is a point blank period. But I got the fans for right now, car. Instead, I want to go step by step and show the difference in temperature before I change the water pump. I want to show how much they're going to drop the temp. Just change the fans only, and then we change the water pump versus changing both of them at the same time. Then you won't be able to tell which one helping the most. So I got this. I got the fans. You gotta have a relay kit. And then I bought this for Tran, which is another Hillborn style air cleaner, a brand new one. Cause y'all know mine be up there shifting. It ain't got the net. It ain't got the net right there, the guard in the front on mine. So, and you couldn't buy just the guard, cause if so, I would have did that. At least I ain't see one. Replacement mesh net right here. So, what I'm gonna do, I don't know why I call it that. I ain't putting that on there, cause I keep mine on the inside. Worst case scenario, only thing gonna fit through here is a bug. A bug go down there. It go down in there, I feel sorry for it. It have to be a small bug. It ain't too much getting through that. It kind of holds something, but anyway, I ain't gonna be in no area like that. So this, removing this, cause this is a very restrictive air filter, air cleaner, air filter. I mean, I get it. It's to keep debris out, but it's restricted, man, cause it's small. This is a known fact. If your air cleaner bigger in diameter, it's gonna help, man. Those little small air filters, they restricted. It ain't even nothing to debate. So I'm gonna take that off. Which is why I bought a new one, cause I need the mesh net, because I'm gonna take it off. And I also got some stuff from Meach, which I ain't finna talk about exactly right now what I got from Meach, but I do got some stuff from Meach, and it's gonna make it faster. It's for sure gonna make it faster, no questions asked. So I got stuff from Meach. What else? I got some carburetor stuff, man. I got all types of stuff, man. I went to Summit. I really bought a load. And as y'all can see, the seats got gone. Somebody bought the bucket seats. All the seats gone, the old interior. Somebody bought the back seat a couple weeks ago. He just got to pick it up. And now I'm just ready to get Tran back and get to work, like lock in. Cause I got a lot of interior pieces. Y'all know about the door panel. Got to get that straight, which we got a window regulator now. I got a nice console got to put in. I just bought, I got some more interior pieces that I ain't even showed y'all. I bought replacement. So we got some stuff to do, man. We got to put all that stuff in. So when Tran get back, man, we really gonna have some stuff to do. For real, we gonna have some stuff to do. So then we're gonna have a better transmission in it. The cooling should be situated. The new air cleaner go on. That should help better airflow. And we're gonna be attacking the interior some more. We're gonna be attacking the interior big time. So I'm finna order some carpet, so I won't have to remove them seats again. Order some carpet. Them seats are coming out one more time. I'm gonna put the carpet in, gray carpet, and put my seat belts in. Then I shouldn't have to remove the seats no more. The back seats just have to come out just for the deck. But other than that, we're gonna be good to go. So yeah, man, like I said, that's about it for this vlog. It really ain't a lot shaking. They're just trying to keep y'all in the loop real time on what's been going on. So when Tran come back, we're gonna get back on it. Meat's probably gonna be leaving. Cause I'm telling you, I'm gonna get some stuff done. One step at a time, one little bit at a time, one at a time. But when it comes back, it's gonna be faster. It's gonna be even faster. So I got some coming, y'all. I got some coming. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned into the vlog, man. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.